Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Please give me a subscribe. Please hit the like button if you enjoy witchy unboxings, because today I have got the Witchcasket to unbox. I am running a little behind with the unboxings because I fell ill, which I explained in the other video, but hey ho, we'll get over that. So let's have a dig in and see what we have in our Witchcasket this month. So we are looking at Cleansing Magic for September 2020. We have a little bit here about how they came up with the box and things like that. So, oh, and also in here it tells you everything that is in the box, but we won't go into that just yet. We'll do that together. So let's see what we have got this week, or this month should I say. So our art for this month, I actually love it when it's on this style of like craft paper or craft card. I really like that. This is by maybe.liz. You can find her on Instagram. And this is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely wonderful piece of art here. We have a ritual kit. Oh no, sorry, it's a pre-ritual cleansing kit. So this is to cleanse your space, to prepare your space for magic. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. I haven't actually opened anything in this box this month. Oh, it's white. It's on that craft card again as well. So this tells you everything that you need in here. You will need, rosemary. Oh, I think that's actually meant to be a bullet point. Rosemary, dragon's blood, incense, soft cloth. So, and then it tells you everything that you need to do for it to work. So we have our soft cloth. Oh my gosh, these are like those facial cleansing cloths. Okay. We have rosemary here. And we have dragon's blood incense. They've given us 3 cones of that. Dragon's blood is my all-time favourite. I absolutely love it. So, we have a little baggie here and it says curiosities on it. Very nice. Is that for... No, doesn't say you need a baggie. So I wonder what that's all about. Our tea for this month is, what does that say? Ayurvedic. Oh no, Ayurvedic calming tea, a relaxing caffeine-free blend of sweet and spicy herbs and fruits. Oh, so that's a nice bedtime drink, or if I want to have a caffeine-free hour. Oh, that's going to be hard. So this is what the tea looks like. Let's have it a sniff. Oh, that smells nice. So that will be nice to try. Our pin for this month is a beautiful black candle. Soak up that negative energy, please. And what is this? We have a Witchcasket Cleansing Essentials box here. Oh. Okay, so we have a candle, a piece of rope. Is that black tourmaline? Piece of black tourmaline. Oh, that looks like witch's black salt. Yes. Oh, and we've got a little card here too. Yes, we've got black salt, a white spell candle, black tourmaline crystal, and frankincense rope incense. Oh, it's frankincense rope. And it's incense. Oh, that smells nice. Okay, cool. That's a cool little kit to carry around with you in case, you know, someone decides to give you bad energy. We have a little incense pentacle here, so we can have a cone here and some sticks there. Okay, oh. Witchcasket exclusive recharging crystal point set. I love this because I feel like my soul needs to be cleansed and recharged and reset. I don't know if you want to pause and have a little bit of a read through that. I might do that tonight. And it's just 2 clear quartz crystals. Absolutely incredible. I love that. Oh, we've got a little silver pentacle altar bell here. I might put this in my little gift box because I have this one that I got about nearly 2 years ago now from Freya's Cauldron. Was it nearly 2 years ago? It was a very long time. From Freya's Cauldron when I first started setting up my altar. So I might put this one in a little gift box. That's really nice. I like that. Okay, do we have anything else in here? We do. We have Ancient Wisdom Pure Essential Oils. I love the ancient essential oils. Let me just open this up. We have Less Stress, lemon, clary sage and lavender oils. I love this brand so much. Let me sniff. Yes, this entire box is just calling for a calming ritual to reset and recharge myself, and I may need to have a calming bath as well afterwards. Yes, this is needed. Yes, Witchcasket. So last but not least, we have our scroll. So let me just try and get into that. Okay, so for this month we have magical ways to cleanse your space. With light, with water, with smoke, with sound, with salt, and with crystals. If you want to pause that and read, feel free to do so. So all those always go into my, my book of shadows. That's it. So yeah, so that's everything that we've got in this month. Let's have a little look through the booklet and go over. So we've got our cleansing essentials box. Entombed within this captivating box, you will find useful tools to cleanse your space and keep negative energies at bay. Our curiosities pouch, so this little baggie here. What will you put in this bewitching pouch? Your tarot or oracle deck, your spell candles, crystals, mayhap the small trinkets you have found while foraging in nature. As witches, we tend to have a myriad of magical items lying around, and what better way to keep them at your fingertips than to gather them into this enchanting pouch. Awesome, I love that idea. Recharging crystal point set, 2 quartz points and an info card. An amazing energy boost whenever you feel drained or run down. This will create a complete energy circuit which allows the magical recharging energies of the quartz to flow into your body, through your body and out, leaving you feeling re-energized. Then we have our pre-ritual cleansing kit. The items enveloped inside this kit will enable you to make a magical infusion to cleanse your altar tools. Using its contents, you will be able to wash, smoke, cleanse your altar and tools, leaving them cleansed and charged and ready for your magical work. Black candle enamel pin. Magical ways to cleanse your space parchment scroll, which we have just had a look at. Silver pentacle altar bell. Our pentacle incense burner. Our calming loose leaf tea. Ayurvedic. Oh gosh, I hope I'm saying that right. So inside the Ayurvedic tea, we have got lemongrass for enhancing psychic powers, tangerine for relaxation, peace and healing, rosemary for protection and purification, and sage for protection, wisdom and success. That sounds like an absolutely gorgeous tea. Our essential oil blend, Less Stress by Ancient. We can use in an oil burner, use as a perfume or aura spray. Always add a base, never put pure essential oils on your skin. This blend includes clary sage, lemon. Clary sage to reduce stress, anxiety and calm the mind. lemon, uplifting and energizing, and lavender for peace, healing and purification. And then we've got our A6 art print by maybe.liz on Instagram. And that is everything to that we have in this month's box. So if you enjoyed watching, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in next month's video. Please let me know what you thought of this box down in the comment section below. Bye!